Hello y'all, welcome back to my channel. It has been literally a while, so I decided to do this video of this selfie paint activity that I did with my mom and my grandma. The kit comes with everything that you'll need. You just need to get your own napkins, your own cup of water, and then your own sip. Of course, for me, that was apple cider. So I'm starting with my background. You get to choose your background. I chose a gray background because my original picture is kind of gray or whitish. And then here is my mom's. You'll see it in the end. She chose like a dark brown background color. Every single paint color is numbered according to the numbers that you see on the paint canvas. And that's really all the instruction to it, right? It's painting by number. Very simple, very beginner friendly. This was my grandma's first time ever doing a painting, and she caught on really quickly with what to do, and her painting came out really nicely. She has a black background. I would suggest if you have a dark background like she does to do the background last. That's just so you can do your portrait first, and then your background is darker than your portrait. That's not the case for my painting. My portrait is darker than my background, so I did my background first, and then my hair is black. So basically, if I kind of painted out of the lines on my hair, you know, it didn't matter too much. With that, I will say also that this paint that he gives, honestly, it does not matter if a paint is lighter or darker. As long as it's dry, it will paint over any other paint color. So you're pretty much safe, but just to be, safest, I say, even as you're doing your portrait, start with the lighter colors on your skin color and then go outward to the darker colors. And the paint colors are numbered in that way. He numbers it in that way from light to dark or dark to light. So it's pretty simple. Kind of paint your colors in order of the numbers on the paint tubs. Now, last thing I want to say, some colors that are very light, or just all the colors in general, do they cover up the number on the canvas? Yes. The ones that are very light, they will not. You will have to do a few layers and then they will cover it up. So some don't, but a few layers will solve that problem. Anyways, this is how far we got on the day that we started. My mom and grandma finished. I didn't. Of course, I'm a very slow painter, but eventually I did finish, and here is my finished painting. I would definitely do another one. It was such an easy process and a quick shipping process. Everything was just ease, okay? Again, information is in the description box. Make sure to like this video, share this video with someone you want to do this with, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already a subscriber. And I will see you all in my next video.